Hi everybody, Dylan here from IP Phone Warehouse. Today we'll be taking a look and unboxing the new GWN7801 network switch by Grandstream. If you want more product videos and unboxings just like this, please give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with a lot more cool videos just like this. The Grandstream GWN7801 is a managed network switch used to connect all your devices to one network. It provides exceptional value for small to medium businesses who want to establish a professional IP network. The 7801 is a cost-effective and budget-friendly solution brought to you by our friends at Grandstream that also goes along with the Grandstream ecosystem. This is a part of a brand new product line that we are really excited about. This is a part of the GWN7800 series of network switches. Now let's take a look at the Grandstream GWN7801 network switch. Okay, so as we open the box, first thing we see here is our quick installation guide. So right away on the left here, we have 4 rubber foot pads to put on a shelf, 2 lug ears, our AC cable, and our ground cable. So then the last thing in the box here is our switch. So now that we have the 7801 out of the plastic, we can see our 8 gigabit RJ45 ports right here, as well as the 2 gigabit SFP ports. The switch also has a console port right here, so you can connect the computer directly to it for setup and management. The 7801 has an integrated 30-watt power supply. The 7801 is easily managed by the GWN Cloud or the GWN Manager. One of the benefits of the GWN Cloud is that it allows users to manage their devices as well as remotely monitor resources and memory. The GWN7801 is a Layer 2 network switch that offers a first-class experience at an amazing value. It has advanced traffic segmentation, advanced QoS optimization, latency-sensitive traffic prioritization, and much more. The other switches offered in the new GWN product line are the 7802, which has 16 ports, the 7803, which has 24 ports, as well as the Power over Ethernet version of all 3. These would be called the 7801P, the 7802P, and the 7803P. A perfect network switch for small to medium businesses who are looking to use a professional IP network. If you have any other questions about this product, any other products in this line, or any other products in our videos, check out our website, www.ipphone-warehouse.com, or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next product video.